As you approach the horizon of retirement, let mindfulness guide your journey. Mindful retirement planning is more than numbers. It's an art that balances your financial needs with emotional well-being. Mindfulness in financial planning means being fully present in understanding your financial situation, helping you make decisions that resonate with your retirement dreams. Retirement is an emotional journey. Mindfulness helps you embrace changes, manage anxieties, and find joy in life's new chapter. Being mindful helps clarify your retirement goals, whether it's traveling, pursuing hobbies, or giving back to the community, and sets a path to achieve them. With mindfulness as your compass, you can navigate the seas of retirement towards a future that's as rewarding as it is secure. Embark on your retirement journey with mindfulness and watch your dreams take flight.